Hello there. This is the reading for last 10 days of June and it's love and money reading. So how is what could be the likely outcome of these 10 days regarding money and love? So let's see, Aries, what the cards have to say. I'll just pick up 3 cards and they will give us random messages like regarding your money or love situation. So take whatever resonates with you, with your situation. So let's pick up cards. So I just shuffle these cards. Just pick up 3 cards. Retrograde times, Venus, Mercury, and 2 more planets in retrograde. Go slow, be careful with all your, one card just popped out here. So this is the first card. Second, sorry, this has to be shuffled. So we have these 3 cards here. Let's go with the first one. Okay, this card, 4 of Swords. So here you can see you are retreating, you are healing from a certain situation, Aries. You're just taken a step back and maybe you are healing from a health situation, or you are healing from an emotional situation. Whatever could be, taking a step back and just you want to understand it's just taking back and thinking about what should you do next, how should you go next. So this is what it's talking about, Aries, right now. We'll find out it's regarding which situation. I'll just do a clarification on this one card. Let me clarify. Retreating from, okay, here I mean maybe you are into some financial loss because this is the Emperor card. It's talking about maybe you have been trying to manifest ways of earning money or which didn't work out. So here you have taken a step back and you are trying to analyze how to go about further and what to do, but at this point is just a thought. It isn't any action you're going to take from this card, like what I can see. Yeah, and action you're not taking, and you're just laying down and just giving it a thought that how to go about, what caused the failure. This could be one situation. The other situation also is like some because of this COVID-19 thing. I think so many people have just they're sick, and so some of you are healing from a certain medical ailment. So it is also about that. Now this could also be going into spirituality. You are trying to heal yourself with being spirituality. So it's a healing card. Maybe a situation didn't work out for you earlier and you were indecisive and you were feeling blocked, and you were stuck feeling there were hurdles, there were obstacles, so challenges. So it really left you disturbed. So you've just taken a step back and you're trying to heal yourself from your past situation. Now the second card, the Tower card. So here it talks, it's the same thing. I have just told you, like, this is the same thing. There was something which fell apart. I mean, whether it was in love situation, a relationship which fell apart, or a business venture or a partnership in business fell apart. So it's talking about a fallout. It's a sudden shake-up. And but this is from the universe. Anyways, this is not a negative card, because those things would have not worked for you at all. So when you're doing things and you're doing things and you keep on trying to work for something which wouldn't work, so the universe steps in and helps you out with this shake-up so that you can take your life ahead in a new way, in a new direction, with new thoughts. So this is what I feel. Tower card is like shake up, and you feel so disturbed and you just don't know what to do at that moment. But later on you can see this will help you move to a new direction with a renewed, maybe it's a love situation which fell apart and it wouldn't have worked for you. And maybe a partnership, a business, a lot, whatever it is, like whatever resonates with your situation. So this is it for the Tower. Six of Rods. I feel slowly at the end of the June you are just trying to, you will come out of these, the healing and the Tower shake-up that has happened for you. So slowly with these the disturbance, this confinement that you are feeling, the challenges, the hurt, you are slowly coming out of that feeling towards the end of June, and hopefully things will get calmer as we reach end of June. So it's like this is a card of a victory. It could be a small victory, maybe you just thoughtfully, you're just feeling calmer and better towards the end of the June. So one card from the bottom of the deck, you just see, this is the bottom of Page of Cups. Great. So this is a card, Aries. It's a small bit of good luck that you are getting. Yeah, either people waiting for a new love. They could hear something about the person they want in their life, or a situation, a partnership regarding money, or you could hear something which would really make you happy. It's an initial energy, like you need to work on this little later, but this will get you the moving ahead for the next months. Maybe you can work on this. This is a very initial, but a good luck or a good news coming to you with this Page of Cups in the last part of June. So maybe a new, for some of you it could be new love. For most of you it could be a love situation which has just gone here and there, and there could be a reconciliation, or a reconciliation in some you had few people when you couldn't work on something before, so those things might come back. Retrograde season, anyways, you hear from people from your past, whether it's your ex-flames, soulmates, ex-bosses, partners. So this is it for you, Aries, in this last 10 days. You are coming out of an emotional turmoil in this month end. So this is it. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, Indiana 11 Tarot. Thank you.